Hello, builders and creators. Samaditech here, ready to inspire and empower your next project. Explore our hand-picked tool collections and unlock your full creative potential workshop. Let's get building. The Viver Performance Concrete Floor Grinder is a powerful tool designed for precision and durability. Weighing 122.1 pounds, it boasts a 1.7 horsepower engine with a speed of 1,720 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient operation. The included grinding disc is highly wear-resistant, durable, and sharp. It features replaceable blades and is compatible with various diamond blades for enhanced versatility. Ideal for tackling both external and internal corners, the lightweight discs allow for precise grinding without causing chips. The grinder also includes an adjustable grinding level and an ergonomic handle, making it comfortable for extended use. The Rockler convertible router table is designed to work seamlessly with most wood routers, offering 4 versatile modes that can be quickly adjusted based on the task at hand. Its compact design makes it ideal for small workspaces or even for use in a truck. The table can be set up on the floor, mounted as a wall table, or folded into a special configuration for easy transport and storage. Constructed from durable metal, it provides a stable and robust platform for compact and mid-sized milling machines. The table includes an MDF work surface, a metal base, a protective cover, and a 2.5-inch dust outlet for efficient dust management. The Makita Cordless Brush Cutter, presenting a 24-inch blade, gives magnificent overall performance with a lightweight design of just 5.95 pounds. This green tool operates on a lithium-ion battery, producing 0 emissions and minimum noise. Equipped with the effective brushless motor, strolling at 4,000 RPM, it provides 50% greater efficiency, making it perfect for tackling dense plants. Its conventional turquoise color and specific Makita branding upload to its appeal. Capable of cutting branches up to 3-4-inch thick, the trimmer is bought without a charger or battery, making it versatile for users with current Makita gear. The Bosch paint sprayer comes in its signature green color and is equipped with an 800 milliliter tank. Designed to be lightweight and compact, it's easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. Powered by electricity, it connects to mains power, and its 1.5-meter hose is sufficient for most painting tasks. The sprayer features an adjustable injection force regulator and allows you to control paint spray parameters, delivering a flow rate of 2 liters per minute. With 44 watts of power, it handles various tasks effectively. It also includes multiple nozzles for different surfaces, along with an adjustable strap for comfortable use. The Works Nitro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner combines sleek minimalistic design with practical functionality, featuring a black finish with orange accents. Engineered for both wet and dry cleaning, it operates on a 20-volt battery, providing reliable autonomy. Lightweight at just 6.8 pounds, it's easy to carry and transport. The spacious 2.1-gallon dust container offers ample capacity, while the built-in suction speed controller lets you adjust power as needed. This high-performance vacuum tackles even stubborn dirt with ease, and the quick-change attachments allow for effortless versatility. For added convenience, it includes a strap for enhanced mobility during use. The Works Garden Blower Vacuum Cleaner runs on 120-volt mains power, offering a versatile 3-in-1 functionality as a vacuum, mulcher, and blower. It features an adjustable speed control via a simple button, combining compact design and lightweight build with impressive performance. The airflow capacity reaches 350 cubic feet per minute, ensuring strong power for various tasks. The mulching function shreds leaves and debris into a special collection bag, compressing waste at an 18:1 ratio to save space. Its powerful airflow easily reaches difficult spots, making it highly effective even in challenging conditions. The Milwaukee Red Stick Digital Level measures 24 inches in length and is constructed from durable plastic and lightweight aluminum. It stands out from traditional levels with its superior accuracy powered by red lithium batteries. Special end caps allow for easy installation in hard-to-reach areas while also protecting the device. The red stick features a compact display that clearly presents readings, and it offers customizable settings for tolerance and sensitivity, along with various modes to enhance convenience during use. The Brady portable printer offers fast and efficient label creation. Housed in a reinforced case that withstands drops from up to 6 feet. Weighing just 1.65 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, with a backlit monochrome display for easy viewing. It supports both color and monochrome printing, with input via a mechanical keypad featuring A to Z letters and 0 to 9 numbers. Compatible with 90 cartridge options, this versatile printer can print on 12 different material types using thermal inkjet technology. It comes complete with a battery, protective case, AC adapter, and battery charger for convenience. The sandblasting gun, designed specifically for use with air compressors, is an excellent tool for surface cleaning. It's perfect for removing old paint, rust, and debris from metal, wood, and even glass surfaces. With adjustable nozzles and settings, you can tailor the pressure to handle delicate materials without causing damage. A built-in regulator allows precise control over the sand jet range, ensuring thorough cleaning. Compatible with various blasting media, the gun is easy to operate, featuring a durable nozzle and a conveniently placed sand container for efficient usage. The Navac Break-Free tool is an advanced pipe bender designed to quickly and precisely bend copper and other soft metal pipes with the press of a single button. It ensures efficient and accurate bending, offering clear settings for different pipe diameters and angles. Powered by a robust motor, it can handle pipes ranging from 1/4" to 7/8" in diameter. Compact and portable, the tool weighs only 12.9 pounds and operates on a battery that supports up to 100 bends per charge. The fast charging station recharges the battery fully in just 30 minutes. The Ego Power Plus Nexus is a versatile transportable strength station designed to be used both interior and outdoors, regardless of climate conditions. Weighing 44 kilos, it delivers up to 3,000 watts of top power and a pair of 1,000 watts of continuous strength. It features 3 120-volt retailers and 4 USB ports, making it appropriate for charging numerous gadgets. A built-in backlit show provides key statistics along with runtime and rate levels. Powered by way of rechargeable 7.5 amp-hour batteries, the Nexus is easy to move way to its durable, ergonomic steel handles. An extension cord is a flexible electric device designed to extend the attain of electricity from a wall outlet to multiple appliances or equipment. Featuring a bendy cable with a plug on one cease and one or extra outlets on the opposite, it allows for handy get entry to power in areas with restrained sockets. Available in varying lengths and energy scores, it is crucial for each indoor and outdoor packages. Many extension cords are geared up with safety functions like surge safety and grounding to ensure dependable and steady usage. Ideal for homes, workplaces, and business settings. The CC electric jack is designed to lift up to 5 tons of load, primarily intended for car lifting, but offering additional features such as a signal lamp, air pump, and LED light. Powered by a 180-watt motor, the jack has a lifting height range between 6.1 to 17.7 inches, making it capable of effortlessly raising vehicles around 2 tons in just a few minutes. The kit also includes an electric impact wrench with 2 interchangeable screw heads, 17/19 mm and 21/23 mm, and delivers a maximum tightening torque of 450 Newton-meters and unscrewing torque of 350 Newton-meters. The built-in air pump allows for fast tire inflation, and the kit comes with 2 nozzles. The jack can be powered by connecting directly to the car's battery or cigarette lighter. A compact and powerful grinder is a must-have for any craftsman. Equipped with a 1-amp motor delivering 12,000 RPM, this corded detail sander offers smooth and precise surface finishing. Its ergonomic design with a soft upper grip ensures comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. A built-in counterweight minimizes vibrations for enhanced working comfort. It also features a microfiltration system and a dust extraction port compatible with vacuum cleaners, keeping your workspace clean. The Velcro fastener allows for quick, hassle-free abrasive paper changes, boosting efficiency. The Wagner paint sprayer is an efficient airless tool designed to apply paint up to 3 times faster than traditional rollers. Its airless technology minimizes paint wastage, making it highly economical and perfect for covering large surfaces. Thanks to Wagner's advanced system, it uses 55% less paint than conventional sprayers. Built from durable, high-quality yellow plastic, the sprayer includes a spacious 1.5-gallon tank and can handle various liquids like paint, stain, and primer. With a 25-foot hose, it offers the flexibility needed for most painting tasks. Let's discuss the multi-bit screwdriver from Klein Tools. This compact yet versatile tool is a must-have for various tasks, especially when working with HVAC systems. It includes 3 types of drivers: Phillips, flathead, and a bit for Schrader valves. The double-sided design provides both short and extended rods, allowing you to reach tight spaces without losing control or precision. A swivel cap offers added stability while working, and the tips are made of precisely machined, hardened steel for durability and secure fastening. The anodized aluminum body ensures corrosion resistance, promising long-lasting use. The RIDGID Model 223S manual pipe reamer is an essential tool for quickly reaming copper and stainless steel pipes, sized between 1/8 to 1 1/4 in diameter. Perfect for plumbing, heating, and air conditioning work, this reamer features a dual taper design with a 45-degree inner cone for smooth interior reaming and an outer section for chamfering and deburring pipe exteriors. Its knurled ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, ensuring control even during tough jobs. Additionally, the tool includes an integrated scale with inch and millimeter measurements for precision. Built from hardened steel, the RIDGID Reamer is designed for durability and heavy-duty use. The Microjig BLADECLEAN system is designed to keep your blades and cutters in optimal condition. It simplifies the cleaning process, allowing you to clean an entire saw blade in a single pass. The system features a magnetic handle that securely attaches to the blade, while industrial-grade aluminum oxide pads provide a thorough clean across the surface. Additionally, it includes a cutter holder capable of cleaning up to 5 cutters at once, accommodating shank sizes of 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 12 millimeters. This system is perfect for woodworkers who want to maintain their tools in excellent working order. The iMum Live Mini Chainsaw delivers remarkable cutting power, slicing through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds thanks to its advanced brushless motor, which achieves a cutting speed of 26.2 feet per second. It features an automatic chain lubrication system, so you don't have to pause for manual oiling, and the manufacturer has resolved previous oil leakage issues. Equipped with 2 21-volt batteries, each providing 50 to 60 minutes of runtime, you can work continuously by swapping batteries. These batteries are also compatible with Makita tools. For safety, the chainsaw includes a rotating shield, a locking button, and an ergonomic handle, only activating when both the safety button and switch are pressed, making it beginner-friendly. The Milwaukee AMS 12-stick transfer pump is designed for ultimate convenience, featuring a 36-inch submersible aluminum cylinder to access deep water with ease. Its innovative HydroPass filtration system with a 360-degree filter maximizes water flow even in debris-filled environments. Capable of pumping up to 9 gallons per minute, it connects seamlessly with standard garden hoses for precise water direction. Completely cordless and powered by the M12 platform, it offers freedom from wires, and its one-handed operation allows you to control water flow effortlessly while keeping the other hand free. This manual polishing and sanding machine is designed for efficiently handling a variety of surfaces, including metals like stainless steel, non-ferrous metals, and wood. Powered by a 110-volt main supply, its robust motor with copper winding delivers 1,800 watts of power, allowing for quick and effective grinding. The machine features adjustable speeds ranging from 750 to 3,100 RPM, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. It comes equipped with a universal polishing wheel sized at 4 by 4.7 inches, ideal for covering large areas. For added convenience, the wheel can be changed quickly. The tool also includes an auxiliary anti-slip handle and a dust cover with a reinforced hood for enhanced protection.